Welcome. Today we would understand one of the very important things, and that is how to manage your time and the importance of time. Once you realize the importance of time, you would automatically understand why we actually need to manage the time. Now we have two friends here. One is sloth, the other is cheetah. The sloth is very lazy. For his day to day work, he feels everything would be done slowly and gradually. So, to him, if any task is assigned, he does not have time for it. So, any person, you can simply say, who is very lazy would not have time. On the other hand, we have Cheetah, who is always active and has ample of energy with him. So, any task assigned to him, he would never say he does not have time. He would always find a way to complete the task. He knows how a working person really faces the problem and how this issue need to be addressed. So a person who is really hard working would never be short of time. So first thing in mind, make sure that you have to be hardworking in order to manage your time. The second most important thing is most of the students look around small thing and they forget a bigger picture. So the small thing is in today's test my friend scored 2 marks more, I scored 2 marks more, and that's the whole story about it. You don't think 10 years down the lane when you and your friend would be at a very different position, both well established. Now, the irony here is we are stuck in very small things. I would say rather the dust or the sand, and we don't think about the monuments that are to be built. So, you have to focus on your bigger goal, bigger objective, and once you have those in mind, it's sure that you will succeed, but that comes only and only with time management. Now, here we have two friends. One of them always feels that there is lot of work from him and he is always exhausted by it. The other friend feels that the work gives me the pleasure, and here I am happy and jolly. So, the idea is the more you work, the more satisfaction you derive, and this satisfaction is a part to happiness. You are assigned a homework. As soon as you finish it, you are so happy, you are glad to do anything. And that's the satisfaction, that's the happiness that comes from the completion of the work. On the other hand, if your work is pending, let your parents call you, let your friends call you, you would always feel that burden in the mind. So it's very important that you move forward with completing the task as and when it comes to you. Don't keep them, don't pile them up. Once you start piling them up, you would face much more difficult times than in reality. So, proper utilization of time is very important. Think very few on this earth are born with special talents, and many of us have obstacles in some form or the other. So it's up to us how to develop our talent and how to minimize those obstacles, and that can come only with a proper time management. Now, most important thing is how do we manage time? Ask an importance of 1 year to a person or a child who failed in an examination. He knows how his 1 year is important. Ask a mother with a newborn how 1 month has been and how it is important. Ask an editor of a weekly magazine how important is 1 week, because every week he has to bring out that magazine and therefore he knows the significance of this 1 week. Importance of 1 day could be realized by meeting a person who is earning his daily wages. Moreover, importance of 1 hour could be realized if you are waiting on a railway station for your friends or the family to arrive and the train gets late. Importance of 1 second for one who has survived in an accident, and might be you won't be thinking beyond it, but beyond it is further interesting. The importance of 1 millisecond. Ask that to a person who has lost his medal in the Olympics. So focus on milliseconds, not seconds, and that's how you can bring your dreams to reality. Have a good day ahead.